Hi friends, this video shows how to place testing slide. So in this video I will be using this human blood cells testing slide. So let me place this testing slide on this microscope, then test it. So we can place this testing slide on this microscope like this. So let me change this angle. We can place it like this. Okay, so after that, this side we can see two knobs. See here, using this bottom knob we can move this slide set left and right. See, so we can move like this, so we can focus on here. So this part we have to adjust using this knob. Then using this top knob we can move this slide set up and down. See, this way. So that using these two knobs we have to adjust this position. Okay, I think it's ready. So let me adjust it. Okay, done. So after that we have to take this 10x lens, 10x objective lens, so that you have to put here. Okay, with the 10x objective lens we have to focus. We can use these two motion knobs to focus. First let me use this big knob. We can rotate it and focus. So once focus is ready, then we can go to this second knob. Using this knob we can focus more accurately. Okay, so once you focus more accurately, we can go to the second lens. Let me go to second is a 45, and here you can see 45. We have to use that 45. With that 45x objective lens, again we have to focus. We can use these two knobs and adjust the focus. So once that is ready, then we can go to this 100x. So here you can see 100x. So we have to go to 100x. So this 100x lens will touch on this slide. So we have to use oil. We have to use immersion oil. So otherwise we won't be able to see the object because light won't come. So we have to use immersion oil, then use 100x. Then using these focus knobs we can adjust the focus. Okay, so this way we can place testing slide on microscope, and we can view the object. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it. So if you want to remove, just rotate this knob and just detach this knob, lens and objective lens and slide. Then we can just remove like this. So here we can see one knob, then we can remove. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.